My name is Derrick Derrick Leon Dennis. I served in the U.S. Army, 20 years of service. I live by three things, and I still live by it today. Duty, honor, and country. I'm proud to have served. I have a calling to help fellow veterans. When most veterans, when we come out the military, Marines, Army, Air Force, or Navy, we have been taught that we will help other veterans. I've never seen a facility such as this, Veterans Place. The program itself inspires veterans to help themselves, to motivate them, and to be productive citizens of society. I came here with very little hope, didn't know what was going on, had nowhere to go, nowhere to live. And seeing that what goes on here was so inspiring, I decided this is where I need to be. We have our own bedroom, we have our own living room, we have our own kitchen. Also, while you are here, you are assigned a case manager who will assure and help you with every aspect that you need that will benefit you in society, as far as work, as far as increase in your disability and veterans' disability. Just when they've done so much for you, giving you clothes, giving you jobs, helping you with all kinds of opportunities, and you think that's enough, here they come with more. They never stop. It is truly an honor to receive these things. A lot of times we don't get the help that we really, truly deserve. And what they do for us is outstanding. The future is great and it's grand, but it all starts right here at Veterans Place.